Sorry about the crazy intro. But anyways, hi everyone. My name is Nufisa and I just started YouTube. This is my first video. I'm honestly so happy and excited to share a little part of my day with you. So today started with a snowstorm morning. I made myself a nice cup of tea, tried to enjoy the snowy view, relax and watch my series in peace. But unfortunately I can't because my son decided it's haram for me to sit down and relax. So I took him to the living room, we played a little bit and then I stepped outside to see the snow. It was really crazy, but it's cool in the same time. I really enjoy it. When he finally slept, I took a few minutes for myself to relax. Just a little bit, of course. I can't without my milk and my favorite Moroccan biscuits called hernies. After that, we had dinner. I put my son to bed, and then my husband and I had a movie night. I also did a lot of massage because honestly, my body really needed it. The whole day was just running with the kid.